Do you ride?
Yeah, I do. I have a Mutt.
A dog?
Ceredigion Bikers!
End of a shoot, sat with Visualskies, all having a pint, very important. Ross, what are you doing?
Currently just downloading the data that we shot today. A lot of it to do, so we have to get quite a few pints in, I would imagine.
Yeah, I'd imagine. Something's airing tonight, isn't it, that you guys have worked on, that you're very
Yeah,
excited
well, we've been working on this National Geographic show for the last sort of 6 months. Actually, Joe's been to a lot of locations around the world.
Lucky Joe, why have you not been?
Various reasons.
Banned from every country.
Take it off.
My drone team began the first of more than 40 planned flights. We're scanning this whole area, almost half a square mile, twice the size of the Vatican City.
So for all my really techie followers, talk me through what drones you used today.
So today we used the DJI Inspire 2 with the X7 camera.
Yeah.
We also had a little Mavic Air, which we were just shooting some sort of BTS stuff
Yeah.
with. Those are the ones that we used today. We also were going to use the M600 Pro.
Started
but we
raining.
didn't get it out because it started raining. And rain doesn't really mix with drones.
So there's a lot of like YouTubers out there who want to make really good content, and especially when you get aerial shots, it massively improves your production values. If you're saying to someone, your first drone, something that would be really good, cost effective, what would you say is your best one to go for?
Well, the one that we used today, the Mavic Air, is pretty good. It's about £1,000. So
They're quite expensive.
Quite
It's not one
expensive.
for the Christmas list,
But-
unless you've been a very good boy.
Yeah, you have to be a very, very good boy. Not sure why we've got them really, but
Mavic 2 Pro, the image quality is sort of the best for the small drones. You know, you can get, you know, from for what you get in the size of it, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And the ability just to have it in your pocket and take it anywhere is incredible. Whereas with the larger drones like we take, you know, you have to have a van and, you know, a multiple crew to use it. Whereas if you've just got one in your pocket, you're more likely to use it more, so you get more value from it.
I mean, the Mavic ones, obviously superseded by the Mavic 2s. You can pick them up pretty cheap now for people who are wanting to do vlogging things.
The footage is good quality, and it's similar to one of these and stuff. So we use those.
The
Osmo gimbal, same camera and
Not
stuff.
an ad.
Yeah, we do work for DJI.
And so we've been shooting with loads of motorcyclists today. Obviously, I love it.
Yeah.
What was the idea behind the shoot today for you guys? Because I know we kind of collaborated on some things, but where did it come from? Because had you seen the dam before?
I mean, we found the dam on a previous shoot that we did close to here, about 10 miles from here, and we just scanned it using the drones to make a 3D model out of it. And we never really found anything to do with it. So when we met you guys, we thought it'd be great to shoot you guys sort of riding across and then do something in CGI, like blowing you up.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure what it's.
I'm not being blown up, no.
You're not going to get blown up, but the sort of the biker dudes are going to get blown up, which could be quite cool.
Okay, so dream job for 2020. God, I can't believe I'm saying that. 2020.
Dream job, this one, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
Dream job, bit more National Geographic stuff.
Yeah. Not an ad.
No.
More motorcycle stuff, that'd be awesome. More chase scenes, that'd be really cool. Explosions, that sort of thing.
Okay.
Yeah, pushing the limits.
Yeah.
And Santa Claus's wish list. If you were going to have another drone, what would it be? What's on that Christmas
Oh yeah,
list?
the Alta X for me right now.
The Alta X.
The Alta X is just out by Free Fly, and it's pretty awesome. Yeah.
Well, that is Visualskies. Watch out for the shoot. They've been amazing, and they'll probably be here till about 10 AM, drinking more booze and uploading all my footage.
Enjoy.